1. Regularly have intercourse. Having regular intercourse can increase your chances of getting pregnant. To maximize fertility, you should be having sex every other day throughout the month when you are trying to conceive. 2. Track ovulation. Tracking your ovulation is a great way to know when you are most fertile and when to time intercourse for the best chance of pregnancy. You can use an online calculator or purchase an over-the-counter ovulation predictor kit that will tell you when it's time to get busy. 3. Take prenatal vitamins. Taking prenatal vitamins with folic acid before and during pregnancy helps ensure that important nutrients critical for fetal development are present in mom's body from conception through natural methods has recently become a popular option for couples, as it is less expensive and potentially more successful than traditional fertility treatments. However, conceiving naturally can be tricky and requires an understanding of the body's reproductive cycle and hormonal changes. In this article, we'll explore some of the best ways to get pregnant at home by natural means. One of the most important steps towards becoming pregnant is to understand your own menstrual cycle. Knowing when you are ovulating is key, as sexual intercourse during this time increases your chances of conception significantly. You can use a basal body temperature, BBT, chart or fertility monitor to track your daily temperatures and better predict when you are fertile. Additionally, there are several other signs that signal ovulation, including changes in cervical mucus, a slight increase in basal body temperature, and increased libido. Timing intercourse is also an important factor when trying to conceive. Having sex every other day will give you the best chance of getting pregnant as it ensures fresh sperm are available for fertilization. Additionally, some experts recommend avoiding sexual positions that allow deep penetration or which could expose the cervix to air, as these may interfere with conception. Another way to improve your chances of becoming pregnant is by making lifestyle changes such as quitting smoking and reducing alcohol intake. Both smoking and heavy drinking can reduce fertility levels by interfering with hormonal balance. Eating a balanced diet rich in folate or taking a supplement before becoming pregnant is also important and can help reduce the risk of certain birth defects. Finally, it's essential to stay relaxed and enjoy the process. Stress can interfere with ovulation and cause fertility problems, so finding ways to distress like meditation or yoga will benefit your chances of conceiving. Making time for yourself is important as well, so be sure to take breaks from trying and just enjoy each other's company. By understanding your cycle, timing intercourse wisely, making healthy lifestyle changes, and reducing stress levels, you increase your chances of conception through natural methods at home. With these tips in mind, you may find that getting pregnant naturally becomes a much easier process. Good luck!